Hi guys, so this is a short video about Node.js. As an example, if I want to run a Node app using Nodemon, let's say this. So it says Nodemon is not recognized as an internal or external command. So if I say go to wait, yeah, if I go to my code, you can see this is the code. There have no types of error here. And if I want to run this file using Node simple command, so it running. But when I using the Nodemon command, it shows the error. So how to solve this error? Let's see. So for solving that, you just need to come to this Node.js Nodemon package, and here you just need to copy the command, right? And open type cmd, or maybe you can also type say PowerShell. Okay, and if you're using Windows 11, you can directly use your terminal and just open run as administrator. Okay, and here just paste the command, which is npm install -g nodemon. Okay, I don't know why it's not run. Just use command prompt and just paste the command and hit enter. As you can see, something are installed. Okay, let's close the file all and again try. So opening cmd and try the command nodemon and then app.js. Yeah, as you can see, the problem solved. So this is the solution of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next time.